Hello all, I Ankita Gupta, Assistant Professor in Biyani Group of Colleges, welcome you all on behalf of Guru KPO. Now I am going to deliver a lecture on data structures stack. Data structures are of two type of data structure. First is linear and second is non-linear. In linear data structure we include stack, queues, arrays and linked list. And in non-linear we include tree and graphs. Today we are going to study stack. Stack is a linear data structure in which insertion and deletions are at same point or at a top position. The position of last element is called top. We have two operations in it, that is called push and pop. The push operation is for inserting an element in stack and the deletion of the element is called the pop operation. Let's see, in this is a stack. In stack 0, 1, 2, 3 are the positions and in it data is A, B and C. So the top position is at 2. In the next we can see the push operation. In push operation we have the inserted an element E and the position of top is now 4. The position is changed by 1. In pop operation there is an element is deleted from the top position, then the top is minus 1, that is 3, and we have deleted the E element. Now we will talk about the two conditions, that is overflow and underflow. Suppose the stack is full of element, then it is called the overflow condition, and we want to put an element in that is overflow condition. And when there is no element and we want to delete an element, then this is called the underflow condition. Now we can see the algorithm for push and pop. First of all we will talk about push operation. Here we check the condition that whether it is full or not, stack is full or not. If top is greater than size minus 1, here size is the top element or the size of an stack. If the top element is greater than or equals to size minus 1, then it is print the stack is overflow message. If it is not, then it will stack position will increase by 1, then top equals to top plus 1 and item will be inserted at top of the stack. In the same way we will talk about pop operation. As I have told you that underflow is the condition when there is no element and we want to delete it. Same condition is applied here. If top equals to minus 1 is the empty stack. If top is minus, then it will consume a message stack is underflow. Now it is returned to the top statement and top equals to top minus 1. If it is not underflow, then it is top minus 1. So we have talked about the stack. Thank you and thank you. For more information log on to www.gurukpo.com.